Xiaolin's kale salad.
Peel it off.
Peel the bits off. And then you put, what's in there?
Just some water.
Water?
Boiling water.
Boiling
Make
water.
sure they're all been cooked.
And she drained the boiling water and put that to the side. And you get, is it light?
Light soy
Light
sauce.
soy sauce.
Yeah, and maybe I put in a bowl first. Probably
饭过来是吧？
饭啊，也可以啊。
要弄它嘛？
Maybe 2 spoons. I said 2 spoons.
Okay. 2 soup spoons.
Yeah. And maybe salt. So depends how salty.
Oh, yeah. How much do you like salt?
And some sugar. Maybe not much.
Okay.
And what else? Vinegar.
White vinegar or brown vinegar?
I use brown. Vinegar you can put 2 spoons or 1. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
This chicken powder.
真的在
鸡粉儿。
鸡粉啊，就鸡精是吧？ 哦，我
Doesn't
没
matter
有吃
if
过
you。like. Now then I got to make some chili sauce.
芝麻的。
这个是熟的，你会直接放。
哦。
It's already cooked.
Already cooked sesame seeds.
拌菜放起这个好吃些。
你放嘛，反正这个都行。然后，
那个。
海椒块块就是。
煎一下就可以了。
Crushed red peppers.
You
Chili
can,
peppers.
yeah. Costco. Ooh, okay.
要放点油了。
And that's just cooking oil. Doesn't matter. Cooking oil, vegetable oil, whatever. Okay, if you have garlic,
Just 1 clove.
1 or 2 doesn't matter. I'm just lazy.
She's a chopper in.
They don't have to wash the chopping board. 拿剪刀剪呐，不用洗菜一本儿。Okay. You just take, shake.
Shaking. So this is a low heat now, is it?
Yeah. It smells nice. Yeah, you see the coming, the bubbles.
Something bubble. It's when you smell the strong flavour, then you know it's
You
pretty
can
much.
see the chili change color.
Oh, okay. So the colour gets
Darker,
darker.
yeah. You can hear it.
Mm.
The smells comes out now. See the chili gets darker. That's it.这个有点像那个啥子，老炙烧海鲜的那种放的。
就有点像那种，就是那个，
有困难有。它也很棒的东西，上头很。你看嘛。
这个就是有食欲了的嘛。
And that's it? Mixed
That's
up?
it. You can use this sauce for everything.
It's a yummy sauce.
Yeah, for every Asian salad, like celery.
Mm.
Celeries and
That's good.
chop the potato oil in the water and use the salad, the sauce.
Asian potato salad,
Yeah.
Asian celery salad, Asian kale salad.
Yeah.
So
Oh,香啊。
you do the taste test, see if you need more salt.
Yeah, yeah.
And then-
So you just try.
Yeah. And then if you like, you can put spring onions, chopped spring onions in as well.
Yeah, I think I put spring onion
Mm.
with mixing will taste nice.
就是调料，没有。